tell you this lace is undetectable. Like, I'm really not seeing it like that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome. Ow. So today I have another wig from LuvMe Hair. Y'all know this is one of my favorite brands to work with. It's very rare, if at all, that they disappoint me. And this one is a 5x5 undetectable lace closure wig that can be worn glueless. Got the strap in there. The knots do come pre-bleached, so that's great. You can go over it again if you want to, if you like it more than this, but they are pretty much bleached. I'm not gonna do it again. The hairline does come pre-plucked, but I would say if you don't want baby hair, you're gonna have to pluck it out a little bit, which I'll probably have to do in the front. But I would still consider it a pretty gradient hairline. I think it'll still need some touches to it, but we'll see once I put it on. It already does come pre-done for you. The part is there on the side. You can also switch it if you want to, because it is a 5x5. And the lace has a hue of a light brown tint. These HD thin wig caps are the best. I can't go back to using other wig caps. I mean, I can because I have so many and I ain't gonna buy no more. But if I had to buy some, it's always gonna be these. You don't have to pull it down past your eyes like y'all seen me doing past videos. I ain't got to do that no more because these are thin as they should be. Okay, so this is cute. The fit is very nice. The fit is very secure. I don't think this is one you have to glue down. It feels like I'm going to be really able to wear this glueless. So that's a plus because glueless has been getting my life together. It don't take me as long to do my reviews. I ain't gotta blow dry it as much. You just sometimes gotta blow dry it down if you use a mousse, but it's not as much work. I do feel like for me and how I like my hairlines, I am going to have to pluck at this a little bit. It's a little on the thick side in my opinion. But you know, everybody's got different head shapes and stuff like that. Y'all, look at how much better that line of demarcation is compared to a regular wig cap. That's why HD is what's up. Like, yeah, I'm still have to put a little powder over it when it's all said and done, but you really can't tell. Like, you really don't have to do a ball cap with these. It's great. If you want some for yourself, I do have them linked in the description in my Amazon store. Get some for yourself when you get this wig. They also did come in the package, so if you do decide to pick up this unit for yourself, you're like, yeah, this is the one, this is what I want for fall, because look at the color. It's very much giving fall. Now, the box did come with some HD wig caps in it. It came with one pack and it has 2 wig caps in it, so just so you know. Now that I have plucked it, I'm going ahead and taking off the lace. The razor is gonna give you that really nice, you know, not straight across hairline, but you do have to be very careful with the razor, you guys, because it's very easy to start taking out the hairline with it, as you can see. It's a great way to give you a precise cut. I'm taking my scissors on it, but that's just to clean up any little excess pieces I might have missed. Pressing the roots, I don't want to go too far into the hair because I don't want it to give it an unnatural vibe, but I do want to set the part in place and tame it down and all of that, which is not too hard. I love a good curly unit because it's so low maintenance. And y'all, these curls are so soft. Good quality hair here. Now, because I did pluck through it, I'm gonna have to take my fingers through and detangle it and kind of mess up the curls, which I hate. But what's done gotta be done. But what I am going to do to retain the hair is use my Dove leave-in here. This is a really good leave-in. I love it on my actual hair, so we'll see if I love it. Lord Jesus. We'll see if I love it on the wig. Oh yeah, my hair is responding. Well, the hair is responding so well to this leave-in. Y'all see how the curls are juicy and bouncing the way they were out the pack? I didn't even put any more water on it or nothing. This is another product that I do keep in my Amazon store. I like to keep all the products that I can find for y'all linked in my Amazon store. So that way you can just get right to it when you're ready to pick something up and you gotta go search for it. My band's coming off. So I had to take it back to my roots with the yellow tube. Well, it's not even a tube, but the yellow can of Got To Be. It's not what I would recommend to you. It leaves residue. It's just not the best to use for this type of stuff. It'll get the job done, but there's so many better options. But seeing as I'm in a pinch, I'm finna use this. And the one thing about anything got to be in a yellow tube, you don't ever want to touch it with your hands too much because you're gonna get residue. Like, it's a promise. And you don't want to spray too much. Like the other ones, you got some give to where you can overspray it a little bit and there's no consequence. But this, yeah, there's consequences. You got to be careful. I thought I was gonna completely glueless, but the pieces right here are just rolling up a little bit. If you're using the yellow tube specifically, make sure you don't put on your makeup first because it will mix and it will cause a mess. But past all that, y'all, don't get me wrong, it comes in handy in a pinch. If that's all you got, you can make it work. I'm actually going to change this slightly into a curved part. That's the beauty of having a 5x5 closures. You can do this. Looks way more natural when I turn this into a curved part than when I just had it as that straight part. It looked a little, I don't know, it just looked a little different. But this looks good. I thought I was gonna go in and need to pluck this some more, but actually just changing the part made the difference for me to make the hairline just look a lot better. I can't explain it. If you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. The girls that get it, get it. And the girls that don't, don't. So I am going to add just a tad slight side of baby hair. I know some of y'all love me because I don't really do baby hair, but it calls for just a little bit baby hair. Nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? No doll hairs, but just a little bit baby hairs. Oh my God, y'all, this came out so great. Do you see this? I let my elastic band, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, sit for like a good hour in the meantime. It wasn't because it needed it, but because I was doing something. So that's just how long it ended up sitting. But when I tell you this lace is undetectable, like, I'm really not seeing it like that. I didn't put anything on this lace, like no makeup at all before I installed this. And it is blended perfectly into my skin. Now, I'm not saying that's what's gonna happen for everybody because everybody got different skin tones. But if your skin tone is similar to mine, bruh, you ain't gotta do nothing. Not a single piece of lace was tinted by me. That's crazy. I ain't never not had to tint the lace, not even a little bit. I mean, it's like they made this lace just for me. All right, you guys, so here is the final result. This wig is gorgeous. I'm loving it with the curved side part, but I do love that it also comes pre-done for you. So if you're new to wigs, you don't have to do nothing too much. I love, like I was telling y'all, that I really didn't have to tint the lace. Obviously, I put my makeup on and it just kind of tinted it a little bit. But even if I were to go no makeup, it blended in with my skin. Now, obviously, it's still a wig, so if somebody's in your face, they're gonna see a little bit of the screen door. But for what it is, amazing. The hair feels great. The density is perfect, not too thin, not too full. It responds very well to just adding a little bit of like leave-in conditioner and water to it, so you don't have to do too much. Because you know, sometimes curly hair, it can seem low maintenance, but it can really be high maintenance. As usual, LuvMe did their thing with this unit. If you're interested in it for yourself, down below in the description box is where you can find it.
If you don't